Everyone keeps saying AI agents are going to replace traditional apps, email apps, search engines, productivity tools. So instead of listening to the hype, I decided to test it myself. Can a single AI agent actually replace 3 different apps? Every day, I bounce between multiple tools just to get simple work done. Search for information, organize my notes, manage tasks. It's not difficult, it's just inefficient. So here's the challenge. For the next few tasks, I'm going to stop using my usual workflow, no Google search, no Notion, no jumping between multiple tabs. Instead, I'll use a single AI agent and see if it can handle everything on its own. If it works, the hype might actually be real. If it fails, we'll find out very quickly. The first thing I use every single day is Google search. Whether I'm researching a topic, comparing products, or learning something new, it usually means opening multiple tabs and spending several minutes piecing everything together. So I gave the exact same task to the AI agent. No searching, no copy-pasting, just one prompt. Let's see if it actually delivers. Okay, that's actually a solid start. Instead of opening 10 different websites, it gathered the key information into one response, compared the options, and even recommended the best choice based on my requirements. For research, that's surprisingly useful. Research is only half the job. Normally, I'd copy the important parts into Notion, create headings, organize everything, and then turn it into something I can actually use. So this time, I skipped Notion completely and asked the AI to organize everything for me. Honestly, this saved more time than I expected. The AI didn't just rewrite the notes, it turned them into something I could actually work with. Research, done. Notes, organized. But planning an entire project is a different challenge. So I gave the AI something I would normally spend at least 20 minutes doing myself. I asked it to plan my next neural Nexus video from a start to finish. Instead of giving me random ideas, it actually built a production plan. Hook, visuals, thumbnail, even an upload checklist. That's surprisingly close to how I already work. At this point, it had replaced almost everything I normally use, but that doesn't mean it's perfect. After putting it through 3 real-world tests, here's how it performed. For research, it was fast, organized, and surprisingly accurate. For note-taking, it transformed messy information into something immediately usable. And for planning, it produced a workflow that was much closer to my own than I expected. But it wasn't perfect. Sometimes it made assumptions, sometimes it lacked context, and I still needed to review everything before using it. So why can one AI tool suddenly do the job of 3 different apps? The answer isn't magic, it's how modern AI agents actually work. So, how did one AI tool replace 3 completely different apps? The answer is surprisingly simple. It didn't actually replace Google or Notion or a project planner. Instead, it combined the jobs those apps helped me do. Modern AI agents can search for information, organize it, reason through it, and present the final result in a single conversation. That's what makes them feel like they're replacing entire workflows, not just individual apps. So, can one AI agent really replace 3 different apps? Not completely, but after using it for research, note-taking, and planning, I found myself opening far fewer tabs than I normally would. AI agents aren't replacing software, they're changing how we interact with it. And honestly, this feels less like a new app and more like the beginning of a completely different way of working. If that's something you're curious about, welcome to Neural Nexus. I'll see you in the next experiment.